Yo, I'm looking for a job.
The like T like the T like
I'm looking for a job, dude.
job. You're looking for a job.
Yeah.
No job. Ever.
Donkey.
Donkey. Like when you say donkey, you are saying D-I donkey. Donkey to the donkey. Donkey to the down.
Yeah, donkey. That's good. It's
Alright. So do sort of take. We got tauri.
Oh, I'm back. I said I'm still looking for the job.
Back from toilet.
Yeah.
What were you doing in toilet without a tissue? Mr. Man.
That's why I'm looking for a job. I need to buy some tissues.
You are not very serious. In our
That's why I'm
office,
looking for a job.
in our office now, we are doing this issue of tissues.
You know, I'm looking for GOP because I want to buy tissues.
Or GOB, jubricator.
No. That's very easy.
Don't forget what are you trying to say when you want to say what are you trying to say.
I'm trying to say, I'm looking for this.
You are looking for this, you are pointing on a white paper, but when you are saying that you are looking for this, and this white paper is already there in front of you. So my friend, revise. What are you trying to say?
I need a job.
Oh, you mean a job here? Oh, you want to be those guys those guys on TV who spread their chests on reading news every day, showing their boobs to the nation, so to increase the rate of bitching around in the world.
No, I'm still looking for a job. That's fine, thank you.